Chamomile Secrets for Skin and Stress, Relief and Easy DIY Skin Soother. Welcome back to the Herbal Code 411, where tradition and science meet and every herb reveals its deeper story. If you're someone who believes that nature still has secrets worth uncovering, you're in just the right place. Today, let's turn our attention to a small but extraordinary bloom, chamomile. Across the centuries, chamomile has earned its reputation as a gentle healer. The ancient Egyptians prized it for its calming effects and offered it to their sun god. Roman soldiers carried it to soothe their wounds and weary minds. In medieval monasteries, monks wove it into sacred gardens for its restorative powers. Chamomile wasn't just a comfort, it was a companion through life's hardest seasons. Modern research now shows us why. Chamomile is rich in apigenin, a naturally occurring antioxidant that interacts with brain receptors to ease stress and encourage restful sleep. Clinical studies also support its role in aiding digestion, reducing menstrual discomfort, and helping calm inflammation throughout the body. Here's a fascinating health fact you might not know. Recent studies suggest that chamomile may help regulate blood sugar levels, especially in people with type 2 diabetes. Researchers found that regular consumption of chamomile extract could lead to improved glycemic control by reducing blood sugar spikes after meals. It's yet another way this humble flower supports overall balance in the body. Of course, a few precautions are wise. If you have allergies to plants like ragweed, daisies, marigolds, or chrysanthemums, you'll want to be cautious with chamomile. And as always, it's important to consult a trusted healthcare provider before introducing new herbs into your wellness journey. If you'd like to experience chamomile's soothing qualities for yourself, here's a simple recipe you can try: a chamomile infused skin soother. First, we will make a strong chamomile infusion and allow it to cool. Then, mix it with aloe vera gel and a few drops of vitamin E oil. Store it in the refrigerator and apply to the skin after spending time outdoors or whenever your skin needs a little extra care. All the ingredient details are listed for you down in the description. If you enjoyed learning with us today, it would mean so much if you like this video, share it with a friend who appreciates nature's gifts, and subscribe to join our growing community here at the Herbal Code 411. Thanks for watching, and remember, nature has a code, and we're just here to decode it. See you in the next one.